Hey everyone, I'm here today with a current favorites video. I thought it would be appropriate to share with you some of my favorite products that I've been loving, that I've been using a lot recently. And so, yeah, this is going to be an array of jewelry, makeup, a couple body care products, and a tanning product. That's newer to me, but I'm really enjoying. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoy this video and decide to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button before you leave, and let's get right into it. So today we are going to start with jewelry, and this video is kindly sponsored by Ana Louisa, and I'm so excited because I actually had gotten quite a few pieces of jewelry from my husband for our anniversary, and I absolutely fell in love with their jewelry. And so when I got the opportunity to partner with them, I was so excited. So they sent me a few pieces, but most of these are pieces that my husband actually bought me for our anniversary back in May. First I'm going to start with are the earrings my husband got me. They're these really cute little Huggie earrings. See how tiny they are? I love them. I love the little sparkle gems on the front. These are called the Suzanne Huggie hoop earrings. And I just love how dainty they are. They're super cute, very comfortable, easy to put on, easy to take off, and they're just, if you don't want something big and dangly, I think that they just are really classy and pretty looking. Okay, so this next one right here is called the Kelly Angel Wing Necklace, and you can see that it has little angel wing details on there. I love these little pendant necklaces. My husband got me a few. All right, the next is this one here, and it's called the Forget-Me-Not. And it's got like a little forget-me-not flower on there, which I'm from Alaska, and forget-me-nots are the state flower, and my grandma, who passed away, loved forget-me-nots, and I just think so cute. Okay, this next one is called Nessie, and it's really cool. It's like a hammered detail. I wear this one a lot. This one's a great one for layering. This one's a great one for layering with other chains. Isn't that so pretty? This next one, I don't know if they still have, but if they do, I will make sure to link it. This one's Margot. Very similar to Nessie, just like a different hammering. And it's not like Nessie is round, and you can see that Margot has a little bit more texture, and see it's not perfectly round. It has more like hammered, and then the edges are a little bit more wavy. The last necklace he got me is this one here, and it's Jusuf, Jusuf, and it just looks really nice paired with any of the other necklaces. The rings that he got me, one's the Mira Pearl and the Mira Onyx, and I just thought they were so pretty, so fun to dress up any outfit. And then they also they're adjustable, so that's really nice. So I got these two beautiful black and white rings. The next two are these rings. This one right here on my middle finger, you can see it's like a really small little chain detail. That one is called Shiso, S-H-I-S-O, and it's a really dainty ring. It's so pretty. And then I got this one right here, which is called Rose. Isn't that beautiful? And this one is called the Chloe, and it's just a really pretty kind of rope style ring. Pairs really well with any other rings you want to stack. And the ring that they sent me, which is really cool, is the one on my thumb. It's called the Laurel, and it's got like a little ball and then a big ball, and it's really cool because it's adjustable. You can wear it on your thumb, you can wear it on any of your other fingers, which is really nice. This beautiful necklace right here, which this set is called the Michelle set, and it's actually 3 separate necklaces. So you have this really beautiful disc necklace and then 2 different chains, and so you can wear all 3 together like I did, or you can separate them. Really beautiful. Again, I'm going to include photos of all of these so you can see them up close in a little bit better quality of what they have on their website, and then I will link all the names and list them down below. If there is a discount code, I will link it right here so that you guys can use that at checkout to save some money, and then also it'll be linked down in the description box below. The other thing that I thought was super cute is they all come in like really cute little bags like this, which I love if you ever travel and you don't want your necklaces or stuff to get all jumbled or tangled. These are just such cute little pouches. I love them. So they come in different colored pouches depending on what products you get. Again, my husband bought me a ton of them, so they all had like these really cute pouches, and then they had sent over a few pieces as well. So thank you so much, Ana Louisa, for sponsoring this portion of the video. And let's get into my makeup favorites I've been loving. First product is this Moroccan Body Night Body Serum. This stuff is amazing. It smells amazing. Use this at night. It's a wonderful hydrating serum for your skin, and it smells so good. I really love this because not only does it really hydrate your skin, but it doesn't give like a greasy, tacky feel. When you first put it on, it just takes a few seconds to absorb into the skin, and then once it does, you're not left with like this really oily feel all over your legs, but your legs, your body looks so glowy and so nice. I really love from Moroccan Oil. Their hand cream is also one of my favorites, but I've been really loving this night body serum. My skin's been super dry lately, and this has really helped kind of ease the dryness. So if you have not tried this product yet, highly recommend it. It's phenomenal. Okay, so the next is a sunscreen. This is the Josie Maran Argan Daily Moisturizer SPF 47, and it has Protect and Perfect. So it does have a little bit of a tint to it. I really have been loving this in the morning, actually. I haven't been wearing a ton of makeup lately because if you guys haven't seen my Instagram, I'm pregnant. I'm about 12 weeks now, but I've been really, really sick. And so most days I don't wear any makeup, but which is very unusual. You guys know I like voluntarily wake up at 5 a.m. to go put makeup on. So I have been just not feeling great, but if I need to go run a couple errands, or if I'm taking the dogs in and out to go to the bathroom, or I'm outside with Liv, I like to still have something protecting my skin, and I've been really loving this. It just kind of evens out my skin a little bit, and it's a really nice sunscreen. It's not greasy, it just provides a little bit of a tint. The other thing that I've been loving, and this is from, I heard about this from my friend Sam, it's the James Read Express Glow 20 Facial Tan Serum. And this you only have to leave on for 20 minutes, but I use it at night and then I let it sit overnight. It does a nice job of giving you a really beautiful bronze look to your skin. And just make sure you wash your hands, because I made the mistake of forgetting to wash my hands after I applied this, and all my palms were like very brown. So make sure that you remember to wash your hands after you apply this, but it's a really nice serum. It feels really good on the skin. It doesn't feel greasy, and you can get a little bit of a glow within the 20 minutes, but I like to leave it on all night long. Apologize ahead of time if I'm really breathy. I forgot how early in pregnancy you start to like pant and like need to gasp for air, like you're out of breath really easily. So if I'm huffing and puffing, it's because I'm pregnant. It's my third time, and my body is like already like, we know what to do. We're gonna start going to work. So I feel like I have to keep taking deep breaths because I'm like so winded. Okay, the next is this combination here. It's what I have on my face today. The Lancome Tint Idol Ultra and the Nars Radiant Natural Longwear Foundation. The combination of this is really nice. I really like this one on its own, but I self-tanned, so it was a little too light, but mixing this in with it is beautiful. This I have in the shade Vanatu, and I have this one in 340 Bisque Neutral. The thing is I got this in a shade that's too dark, but I love it as a mixing foundation. I have a foundation that I need to deepen up. I put this in it, and I swear it just makes every foundation magical. So I really like this. I don't love it on its own as much, but I love mixing it with other foundations. And the combination of these two is like dreamy. I should mention two sponges I've been loving. I don't know if I've mentioned these before. I think I've mentioned this one. They are both e.l.f., so super affordable. This is their like complexion sponge, and then this one is their camo concealer sponge. They're phenomenal. It's so squishy and bouncy. When Sam was here a week or two ago, we went to Ulta, and I was like, you have to get these. And now she's in love with them. But they're super squishy. I love using this one for concealer, under eye powder, cream blush, cream highlight, and then this one I just use for foundation, and maybe like sometimes if I'm going to use a loose powder to set my face. But I love them. They're very affordable, super soft. They're wonderful. Okay, I have to mention this powder again because I started using it again, and I just don't understand why I ever stray. It's the Infallible Loose Setting Powder in Translucent Light Medium. This is like Facetune for your skin in real life. It blurs the pores, smooths the skin. It doesn't look powdery. It's so gorgeous, but the trick is you need to use a damp beauty blender to apply it. I don't like it as much with a brush, but I like to use a damp beauty blender, and I just set my under eyes with it, set my T-zone. I've used it all over my face. It locks in your foundation, your makeup does last longer, and it just looks so beautiful and smooth on the skin. It looks like there's something right here on my shirt, but there's actually like nothing there. So I think there's just like a weird light reflection on my shirt. I mean, it's following me, but so weird. Okay, so I went and changed my shirt because that was bothering me. Here's my other favorite. Oh, he's getting so big already. This is Murphy. He's our new little pup. So not only did we get, are we getting another baby, having another baby, but we got another pup. He's literally, oh, he's just a squishy little puppy, huh? He's about, I don't know, 10 weeks now. Isn't he so cute? He is a double doodle. So he's half Labradoodle. Oh, that was a big yawn. And half golden doodle. So he's got like more of the shaggy coat, so not like the coily coat. And he's gonna be close to Finn's size. He's gonna be a big boy. He's gonna be a big boy. He's got big old paws. He's my little snuggle bug. Huh. So he's so sweet. You wanna sit on my lap while I film? Oh. Finn's warming up to him. Yeah, Finny, see, buddy? Yeah. This can be your brother. You're gonna be best friends. He's still trying to figure it out. Murphy just wants to play with him. Finn is like, not so sure. Okay. Well, now that I've changed my shirt, let's keep rolling. Another powder that I've been really liking, or that I rediscovered, is this all-nighter powder from Urban Decay, and it's their waterproof setting powder. I've had this for a while, and it does a really nice job of setting your foundation without adding color, but it almost like smooths, and I like that it's, I don't know if it's necessarily waterproof, but I do notice that it really does help, hi baby, keep me from getting shiny, which is really nice. And it's a beautiful powder, very lightweight. It doesn't add any color on me, and it just like smooths and sets. So I love that for like all over my face. Okay. A lip product, I feel like I'm slouched over now because I'm on a little stool. This Fenty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm is really nice. It's in the shade Latte Lips. Doesn't really have much of a scent to it, but it comes in like a little squeezy with a doe foot. It has a, did I say it doesn't have much of a scent? It's like a vanilla scent. Doesn't have much pigment to it. Okay, this is getting a little chaotic. Come here, little squishy bud. Come here, fur bubba. You can move over here and you can take your nap over here. It doesn't have much of like a pigment or anything to it, but it smells like vanilla. It's nice and hydrating. You can see there. It's just really sheer. Feels super great on the lips. Really like pillowy, which I like. A few other lip products, since we're on that, is these Huda. You guys saw me haul these, and you saw them in a testing new products. This one in particular is Honey Beige. I like all the colors I got, honestly. I have this on today, Honey Beige, with this lipstick in Sweet Cheeks. These are so creamy and so nice. I bought quite a few of the colors, and I love them. They don't really, maybe they do have kind of a smell. They're super creamy, really glidey on the lips, feel really good, really comfortable. So I have been loving those lip products together. And then when Sam was here, we went to Sephora, and they were having a huge discount on all Marc Jacobs stuff because I believe it's going out of business. So I picked up 4, and I really like these. I've had them, I already owned a couple of them in Sugar Sugar and, what was the other one? Mocha Choca or something, Mocha Latte. So I picked up a few new colors. I got another of the Sugar Sugar because I wanted, you know, they're not going to be available anymore. But they're really nice and glossy. That one's Sugar Sugar. They have a little minty scent to them. This one is called Pink Kiki. Oh! Did you just jump? You okay? Oh my gosh, this dog, he's like crazy. Did you see him jump? Here, bud. Pink Kiki. He was just sitting on my little pink chair. It's not a far jump. He jumps farther off the couch. Okay, this one is called Wet Your Lips, which is the one that Sam had. Right there. And then the last one's a clear one. This one's called Dancing Sheen, and it's clear and just has a little sparkle. But it's really nice. It gives you like this really pretty, like lipstick glossy look to your lips. Kind of like with a lip gloss, but no lip gloss. And they're really, really pretty. Okay, the next is this eyeshadow palette. This new Patrick Ta palette. It's pretty pricey actually, but it's what I have on my eyes today. And I've really been enjoying it. It's really beautiful. Oh, the colors are stunning. Like, the colors are beautiful. You have these creams on this side, which honestly, I haven't really used the creams much, but all these mattes down here, I'm in love with. I'm in love with all these mattes down here. This one's kind of like a sequin shade, and then the shimmers are really pretty. I have to figure out how to work with these shimmers a little bit better because I'm having a hard time getting them to stick. Maybe I need to use a glitter glue, or maybe I need to get a wet brush. I might need to just get my brush wet because I haven't tried that yet. But just using my fingers, I'm like, they're a little stiff. So I think maybe I need to try wetting my brush. If you have this, what do you use for it? But it's really beautiful. I'm loving that palette. I also picked this up when I was with Sam, and I've been really enjoying this one too. This is a little Tarte palette. Look how cute this is. Actually, let me compare these because the tones are very similar. So maybe if you wanted to save some money and you weren't sure about the Patrick Ta, if you'd use them all, you probably could get away using this Tarte palette because the colors are pretty darn similar. I mean, obviously you get way more with the Patrick Ta, but the tones are real similar. Probably could get similar-ish looks. So anyways, this one's also been one I've been dipping into a lot. And then the other one is when I picked this one up in Vegas when I was with Sam. And it's this Nars Summer Solstice. Oh, you're just making a mess. And this one is stunning. The sparkly shades are so beautiful. These two mattes are phenomenal for blending in the crease, deepening up your crease. I love these two and this one on the lid. They're so stinking beautiful. So I've been really enjoying this palette as well. And then what's on my actual lid, I've been using this almost every day. I got a few questions actually on Instagram the other day when I actually had makeup on, what I had on, and it was this Hourglass Scattered Light in the shade Reflect. And that's what's on my lid. And I did use like a wet brush to apply this. You could use your finger, but I feel like it doesn't give as much sparkle if you don't use, like, you need to use a wet brush to get that really pretty sparkle. And I think that's it. Those are like the products I've been reaching for consistently. Like when I'm doing my makeup, those are what I'm reaching for. And I just have been really loving them. Have you guys tried any of these? Let me know your thoughts. What are some products that you've really been loving lately? And again, thank you so much to Ana Louisa for partnering with me on this video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.